This video will show you how to train young fruit trees. Young fruit trees benefit from early education. Education includes training and pruning, beginning at planting. Today we're going to work on a 1-year-old tree which should have received the pruning and training a year ago. Early intervention directs energy toward strong lateral branches called scaffolds. A strong system of scaffolds is critical to the healthy development and production of your fruit tree. Ideally, these scaffolds will radiate from the trunk like spokes of a wheel. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your new fruit tree into this ideal form. In the home garden, an open center form is superior to a central leader form. The open center form keeps the tree shorter and makes it easier to manage. Let's look at this tree. It has a number of strong branches that are potential future scaffolds, like this, and these. It also has a number of very weak, thin branches, like these. What I'm going to do is mark the strong branches I'm going to keep with a colored tape, so you can see them better. I have marked all the strong branches that are potential scaffold, and next I'm going to remove all the weak ones that are not marked. In removing these weak branches, I'm going to use thinning cuts, which remove the branch from its point of origin. Removing the weak branches are easy decisions to make, but I have a tough choice here. There are two strong scaffolds connected by a very weak angle. If allowed to continue as they are, bark will develop between them in the attachment, and eventually both, or at least one, will break off. So my options are to remove one, which I hate to do, or to spread the angle between these and widen them sufficiently. Upon close study, I've decided the spreading is not assured to solve the problem. So I am going to have to make the painful cut. And I've decided to remove this branch, which is facing a direction that duplicates many other existing branches, and keeping this one so I can eventually complete the 360 coverage around the trunk of my scaffold system. It's very sad to cut off a very strong, vigorous branch. In order to have 360-degree coverage of my scaffolds, I'm going to have to reorient this scaffold branch. So I've driven a stake into the ground and tied a string to it, and now I'm going to tie down this branch. So this way I have branches, 4 main scaffold branches, pointed 4 different directions to give complete coverage. Next, I'm going to do spreaders. This is a homemade spreader which will help to widen the angle of attachment between branches. I'm going to put the spreader between these 2 branches and widen the angle a little bit. Both the spreader and the tie down to reorient the branch will be kept in place for 1 growing season. Finally, I'm going to shorten all of the scaffold branches with heading cuts. Remember, heading cuts will remove a portion of a branch to encourage bushiness. In deciding where to cut, always cut to a bud or a branch that is pointed the direction you want. Continue this process for the next couple of years, and you're going to have a strong scaffold supporting a healthy and productive fruit tree for years to come. To review, we trained a young fruit tree today. First, we cut off weak branches, saving strong ones for scaffold development. We reoriented one scaffold branch to achieve 360-degree coverage around the trunk. We also spreaded one of the branches for wider branch angle. Finally, we shortened all of our scaffolds for bushier growth.
Thank you.